Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with my Ipsy unbagging for the month of May. I'm super excited to share it with you. It just came in the mail yesterday and I knew that I wanted to quickly film and get a video up sharing with you the products that I received. As always, if you're not familiar, Ipsy is a subscription service. It comes every month. It's about $10 and some change every month, and I will have a link down below as well as my Ipsy playlist if you're interested in checking out the different products that I've received. I've been subscribed to Ipsy for many years now, and I feel like they've really taken a step up and I'm really impressed with them. So moving in to the pink mailer, the bag looks like this. It is super pretty, super glittery. I love the tassel. I just feel like Ipsy's doing such a good job creating and designing the bags, like the outer bag itself. The products inside have been getting a lot better, but just the bag has been so cute the last few months. So I'm very impressed with this one. It's very glittery material. It feels very lightweight, but I don't know, I just really like it. I think it would be perfect to take to like a party or something. So moving into the bag, I have a few products in here, but the first thing I want to share with you is the card. So the theme for this month is Ipsy Daydream, and then the card just tells you about the different products that are inside and just a little bit of information. The first product that I have in the bag is from Bare Minerals, and it's the Set, Hydrate, and Glow Dew Mist Setting Spray. So this is what it looks like. It looks like it's a pretty good size. I'll open the box up. So this is what it actually looks like, just so you can see it. So I'm excited to try that out. I don't think I've heard anyone talking about it, but I will definitely give it a shot. Next up, I have from Pixi. It's the H2O Skin Drink Pure Hydration Gel, and I'm super excited about this. I love skincare and trying out different things for my skin, so I am very excited to try this, especially with the warmer months coming. Excuse the interruption. So I'm very excited about trying this with the warmer months coming and just kind of moisturizing my skin and keeping it hydrated. And then the last thing that I have inside the bag is from Blosco, I guess. I've never heard of this brand. It's an eyeshadow in the shade Dusty Miller, I believe. This is what the packaging looks like. It feels very cheap and flimsy, and this is what the shade itself looks like. So kind of like a pewtery lavender, like a pewter gray lavender type. It's pretty. I don't know if it's a shade that I would typically go for, but I will give it a shot. And then I have a few things that are outside of the mailer, and the first one, I have two of them. They are from Biorse, Biores, I'm not sure how to pronounce it actually. It's the Intense Hydrating Spirulina Mask, so just two sheet masks. I love sheet masks, so I'm definitely excited about those. And then the last thing that I have is from SL Miss Glam, and it is a fluffy blending brush. This type of brush is my absolute favorite when they're really fluffy and large. That's my favorite type of brush, so I'm excited to have this. I love brushes, and the handle is like confetti glitter. It's very pretty. So that is everything that I received in my Ipsy bag for the month of May. If you're subscribed to Ipsy, go ahead and let me know down below what you received, and give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. Ring that notification bell so that you can stay updated on when I actually do upload, and I'll talk to you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.
If a picture's worth 1,000 words, I'll paint an invitation to let you